Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. So today I have a stitch fix, and this is a very unique stitch fix, and you'll see why in a minute. For those that don't know, Stitch Fix is an online styling service. Pay the stylist $20, they'll curate a box of 5 items. Keep what you want, send back what you the rest. Shipping is free both ways. Whatever you decide to keep, that $20 is applied to your fix. And if you do not keep anything, you do lose that $20. The styling fee is per fix. You can do it on demand. You can do it monthly, every few weeks, quarterly, whatever it is that you want. I have the styling pass. I was offered the styling pass years ago, where I pay a flat fee of $49 a year no matter how many fixes I can get. So I can keep getting fixes back and forth, shipping free both ways. And that $49 also applied to whatever I end up purchasing. So it's a win-win. If you're offered the styling pass, do it, okay? So yeah, today I'll show you what I have. My stylist is another YouTuber, Shannon from Shannon Style. We chat frequently, and so she knows my style from watching videos and my personality and everything. And I just don't need anything, right? The only thing I actually asked for and I kind of needed, I said I could use another pair of pajamas, and I'm looking for like a brown purse that is smaller for fall. So and that's pretty much what I requested. And in my preview, I got 2 purses, and a pair of pants that I said yes to. So you do get a preview. And I said yes to the 2 purses. So let me see them. One did look too big when I looked at it, but I said send it along anyway. I wanted to see what it looks like in person. And then and the pants, I said, okay, I don't have any light blue pants. So I said, sure, send over the light blue pants. Even though I'm really trying not to get pants unless they're very like casual, like cargo type pants, because I don't go anywhere anymore, right? Okay, so onward to the fix. I unboxed everything. I'm sorry, I broke through the bundles, but I have to say everything was beautifully packaged, especially the purses. They were beautifully in a little dust bag with a pretty little bow on it that I had to bust into. All right, so let me go through the items first one by one. All right, the first thing that I got were these Stella and Ruby Camden drop earrings in gold for $34. All right, these are cute, they're nice. All right, nothing wrong with them. They're not making my heart thump, so I already know I'm gonna return them, and in order to keep them nice for the next person, I'm not gonna try them on. So this is the last look you're gonna get of these as I put these away and get them ready to go back into the fix. They're nice, I like them. I'm sorry, I just, I'm only buying what I love at this point, okay? The next thing that I'm gonna show you, which was a surprise to me, are these GG, what are they called? They are called the Scene Stars GG Sleep and Lounge Short Set, size small for $44, okay? And I did tell my stylist to size up in the PJs, but now looking at them, they actually might be a little too big in the waist. But you know me, I always say, oh, it looks too big, and then I put it on if it's just right. These are adorable. I will try them on for you. I already know I'm not keeping them. I'm sorry, Shannon. The reason why is because I'm on that Stitch Fix app all the time, and up popped a pair of Casabella PJs, the same exact ones that I already purchased and showed you, but in a different pattern, also navy blue, and they're $31, and $31 sounds better than $44. So I would rather buy the ones for $31. And I already know that I like those PJs. I've worn the other ones a ton. And then I'm set on summer PJs. I actually only had 3 pairs of summer PJs, and with my menopause right now and the hot flashes at night, I soak through them. So yeah, 4 pairs I think should do it. And this would have been my 4th, but I have the other ones that are on order, and I think I just rather know those because I know they fit, I know I like them, and they were cheaper. All right, but I will try them on for you just so you can get an idea of what the size small look like in Scene Stars. Okay, the next thing that I basically asked for in my preview, and these are totally deceiving, are these, I would say, slate blue 41 Hawthorne, Roosevelt, mid-rise, skinny cuff in light blue. They're calling this light blue. It looked light blue online. This is freaking no way light blue. It actually looks lighter on camera, what you're seeing now, than it does in person. This is a slate blue, like a gray blue. I do not consider these light blue. They are cuffed, but the cuff does roll down if you prefer them have them roll down. They have the slash pockets where, depending how they lay, may be bulgy out, not look good. They have real pockets that are sewn shut right now, so obviously I won't open them for you, and just a regular button and zip fly, and a little coin pocket that's fake up here, okay? I will try them on, but I was under the impression that these are light blue, as they're described here, as they show in the picture. They are much, much darker in person, so just as an FYI. I was thinking a cute pair of light blue summer pants, but nope. So, I already know, my first 3 items going back. And I actually did request the pants for my preview. And I did ask for PJs, but like I said, better deal. Okay, next up, also what I know is going back. Again, this is my preview. I did request it. This is the American Leather Company Celeste Carryall Tote in Tan for $145. This is a beautiful leather, very soft. It feels really nice. My one concern about it is the edging up here. It is, I mean, I guess like the way it's been sewn, I guess, is the concern I have about it. And I see it kind of like, almost like fraying possibly. But the leather here smells gorgeous on it. The reason why I'm going to return it, it's just too big for my lifestyle. If you asked me pre-pandemic, I would have gotten this. This would have been totally me. But now, with the pandemic, I don't go anywhere. And I just need like a little crossbody to like do my food shopping in at this point. I literally just carry my wallet and whatnot. And I have big, large purses like this. And like I said, I'm looking for a smaller one. So it's just one giant opening, okay? So if you're interested in one giant opening, there is no dividers. There is a little bit of a zipper pocket over here. It's fully lined in almost like a nylon-y type of material, or material that has nylon. Like it's like, if you can hear that, if you can kind of understand what I'm saying. And there is a zipper here on the side if you want for your cell phone or other items. I tend to keep my cell phone in here to keep it safe, and I put my coupons on the side. That's definitely what I do, is I keep my coupons in a zippered area so they're easy when I go check out. So I'll put this to the side and pack it up. I know I'm not gonna keep that, so it is a nice purse. I would recommend it if somebody's looking for a large tote. The leather, it does seem like a quality leather and smells good. And honestly, I don't think $145 is that awful for a leather purse. Okay, next thing that I got in this is this Ted Baker. Now, if any of you guys heard that name Ted Baker, they're expensive. Ted Baker is in like a UK company, or English, I'm not sure. This is Nyalina's soft bow shoulder bag in tan, $195, which is really pricey, all right? I'd be willing to spend that because I do like this purse. And I keep my purses for a good 10 years. The leather on this is beautiful. And I want to show you the difference in the two purses and in the leather. All right. And this is what I mean. I'll be concerned about the raw leather looking bad. You see how on the top here, the edge of the leather is not finished at all. All right, and what they've done on the Ted Baker bag is they kind of like folded over and covered like all the raw edge seams, all right? So I do think that this is a more quality bag for that reason than the American Leather Company. Granted, that's a much bigger bag, but this one, I do see the quality. It has this is just really for show, this little cute bow here on top. I just pray that it doesn't fall apart and me not be able to wrap it up again. It is very cute. The inside is just for my needs, right? There is a divider, all right? And honestly, I don't care so much about a divider. I have like 3 things I put in here. My wallet, my cell phone, and my cosmetic case. My cosmetic case houses like things like my Advil and things of that nature. I don't use much makeup. And then there is a divider here with it zippered, okay? And that's probably where I'll put my coupons. And there is also a little pocket here on the side. Okay, there is no outside pocket. Again, that doesn't matter to me. This should be a crossbody, and what I'll do is I'll cut this and I'll put it as a crossbody and show you that's what I was planning to wear it. I am seriously, as of now, considering keeping this cute little Ted Baker bag. The color on the camera is not coming out quite like the color that it is in person. It looks more like of a cognac or brown color, and it's kind of has like a green shade, at least on my viewfinder here. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful purse. And again, Ted Baker, London. There you go, London. So yeah, I'm seriously consider keeping this bag. I'll be honest, I'm not a huge fan of any kind of logos and emblems. I don't like even Louis Vuitton or Gucci or any of that. I don't like any kind of logos, but this is small enough, I might be able to do that. So separately on sale, not in this Stitch Fix box. So that's it that came in this box. Separately, not on sale, was, sorry, not on sale, not in this box, but on sale was this purse that showed up for me in the Freestyle app. So in addition to ordering a box, you can now go on the Freestyle app and order things randomly, which is what I unfortunately do. Things pop up there. How about this? I'm like, oh yeah, click. So this is on sale. It was $159. I don't think there are any left. I will give you the links of everything. It's by Rag & Bone. And if any of you know, Rag & Bone is also really expensive, right? And it was on sale for $159, which is insane cheap for a Rag & Bone, okay? And by the way, I do have some credit. So this is the reason why, you know, I'm, you know, considering these two. So thank you. 2 different people signed up using my link, and I really appreciate it. So thank you very much. I appreciate it. I do have some credit for you because of you, and I hope you enjoyed your fixes and found at least one item that you loved. All right, so let me tell you about this bag, Rag & Bone. So the bottom part is genuine leather, and it has these small little studs across. So that part I like. The size of the bag I like. The top part is suede. I like that too. The size is perfect. The shape of the bag is perfect. You know, look at the depth in there. I'm happy with that. I'm happy with this little pocket here, and then they have in front another little pocket. All right, so this is just kind of pocket. What I'm not quite sure about is when I close this. This is a magnetic closure, and you see how it closes. It doesn't go all the way to the top, and it puckers. And that kind of annoys me. And I think the reason why it puckers, because they want you to see that it's Rag & Bone. And again, I love quality, expensive items, but I don't want to be a billboard for them. That's not my thing, you know? I love nice items, but I don't love bragging about it. So I would have preferred this if this went up like this. But it doesn't. So when I let go, it goes back down because it's a magnet in there. So I'm not so sure I like this. If this were shorter and folded over and it exposed the Rag & Bone, I might have dealt with it. But this whole puckering thing kind of irks me. Then on top of that, it is a crossbody, but they didn't attach it. And I was all excited, and I cannot figure out how to the life of me attach it. So there is this like hook with an opening here. I just cannot seem to figure out how to open it up. I'm like sticking my finger in here, trying to figure out where like the lever is. It just doesn't seem to want to pull open. I mean, I could see it opens, but I don't know how to do it, and I don't want to break it to hook it through the other end of the hole. So between the fact that this puckers and the magnet is like lower, and I guess they want you to see that, and the fact I can't even get the crossbody to work, I am going to be shipping this one back. All right, so I'm not even going to bother demoing it for you. It is a cute bag. Maybe somebody else has more brains than me and can figure out how this hooks together. But yeah, I won't be demoing this, and I won't be demoing the earrings. I will put on the larger bag so you can see the size of it and see maybe if that's something that you would want for yourself, so you can see the size of it against my body. All right, give me a minute and I'll do a try on. Okay, well, it's 2 days since I filmed that intro. I had friends over this weekend, so I had not been able to film, but my friend gave me some advice as to what to keep and what to return. First up, I have on the 41 Hawthorne Roosevelt mid-skinny cuff and then pants, I guess, in light blue, size 0 petite, for $78. And I'll tell you, $78, unfortunately now, is a fair retail price. Everyone's like, $78? If you go to Loft, White House Black Market, Macy's, their pants are all $79.50. So honestly, unfortunately, yes, it's without coupons, but you gotta remember, somebody's picking this out, sending it to you in a box, and if you do keep all 5, you do get that 25% off. Obviously, that's not happening this fix. But you got to remember that they're doing the work for you. So the retail price on these, I would say, is on par. I paired it with a black top. It's a t-shirt with like these polyester or chiffon or however sleeves. the reason why I paired it with black, you're like, you're gonna pair light blue with black, is I wanted to prove that these are not light blue. You can see they're a medium slate blue, and when they looked online, they looked light blue, but I'm sorry, they're not light blue. I do like the color, but I have a lot of gray pants already, and if I'm gonna add another pair of pants to my closet, they have to be significantly different than what I already own, because I have so much. And I like them, don't get me wrong, I like them, but they're not light blue like they had indicated. They look a lot like a gray with some blue in it, okay? With it, I have paired this American leather bag, and let me get the price on this. This was not cheap. It is quite a large bag, $145. As my friend said, is that an overnight bag? It is quite large, and honestly, while the leather is so soft and feels really nice, I'm not crazy about the way they finish the bag. And I'll bring it again for you to see. There's like no seaming or whatnot. It's just like a raw edge, and I could just see this just kind of looking like kind of ratty after not much wear. So yeah, and again, it's just way too big for my current lifestyle now. But it's a very nice soft leather bag. I just don't think, honestly, for $145 it's worth it. I usually get a lot of my bags at Coach Outlet or Michael Kors Outlet, and I spend that much, and they just seem to be better made, okay? All right, let me show you the back of the pants so you can get an idea. They are a 0 petite, which is my normal size. I did put on a little bit of weight, so you can kind of see the pockets puckering. I would not size up in these. I know that they would stretch out, and I don't think the pockets are puckering that bad. Same with the zipper. I think if I sized up, they would not look good. All right, now, spoiler alert. I am keeping this Ted Baker bag, as my friend pointed out. It is absolutely adorable, all right, and it is unique, right? I love Michael Kors, and I love Coach, and I could have gone to the outlet and purchased something there, but it won't be as so unique as something like this. So I'm really happy to have this purse. This is by Ted Baker, and it's $195, and you can just feel the quality in this. Not just in the leather itself, and it smells like leather too, but also in the details in how they stitched it around, and also the thought that they put on the inside of this bag, okay? So yeah, I'm very happy to have this, and yeah, so this is my keeper, and give me a minute and I'll show you how those pajamas look. I don't think I ever told you what the pants were made out of. They're 61% cotton, 36% polyester, and 3% spandex. Again, they're very nice pant. $78 I'd say is a fair price for them. I just can't justify them at this point. You know, if they were a really pale, pretty light blue, maybe, but they're not, so they will be going back. Now I have on the pajamas. They're by Sleeping Stars, and I believe, let me look, $44 I believe is the price. Yes, $44 in navy, and they're a size small. I asked my stylist to size me up in PJs. I like my pajamas a little bit more loose. They're fine, nothing wrong with them, but honestly, $44 is pretty steep for pajamas. And like I said, I got the Casabellas and we're on sale. Another pattern came up. I'm going to spend $31 over $44 anytime, and those are actually, I think, a better material. Those are modal and Pima cotton, and these are cotton and rayon. So 55% cotton, 45% rayon. Nothing wrong with that. I would normally wear it, but if I can get one for cheaper with a better fabric, I am going to. So yeah, they're cute pajamas. Nothing wrong with these. I like them a lot. And that is it. Thank you again for returning subscribers. If you haven't subscribed yet, why not? Click that notification bell to get notified of future videos from me, and give this video a thumbs up. Take care, and until next time.